You can achieve perfectly crispy and delicious French fries in an air fryer without using excess oil. I'll be showing you how to make air fryer French fries. Start by peeling 4 medium-sized potatoes. Cut them into thin strips. Go ahead and rinse the potatoes under cold water until the water runs clear. Let them sit in cold water for 30 minutes to help remove excess starch. Once you're ready to cook your French fries, drain out all the water from the potatoes and shake it up until all the excess water is all gone. You can use a paper towel to drain out the remaining water from the surface of the fries. Season with olive oil, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and salt. Toast the seasoning to coat nicely with the potatoes. Now place a foil in your air fryer basket and preheat it for 5 minutes at 375. Place the seasoned fries inside the basket, making sure they are evenly spaced out. This will help them cook evenly. Cook these for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take a look at the fries. We are almost there. Okay, so you can flip over with a fork to the opposite side so they can cook for another 15 minutes until I have a really nice and crispy result. And here they are, our perfect fries are ready. Just listen to this sound. Very crispy and they are tasty as well. You can pair your air fryer fries with some ketchup or any other dipping sauce of your choice. Now you have some delicious batch of crispy air fryer French fries that are so easy to make and they are also healthy to prepare at home. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. You can also subscribe to Onyx Food Hill if this is your first time stopping by. Thank you so much. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.